Hello dear students, we are learning a topic principle of inheritance and variation. Today we are going to learn a topic incomplete dominance. Students, in previous class you have already studied the topic law of Mendel's. Which law proposed by Mendel's means law of dominance, law of purity of gamete and law of segregation. In law of dominance, you have seen that the interaction of one gene, and due to interaction of one gene, they have two allele, one is a dominant and one is a recessive. The dominant allele in F1 generation that mask the character of recessive allele. This was the law of dominance. Today in this class, we are going to learn a topic called incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Students, what is incomplete dominance? This was the exception of interaction of one gene. Incomplete dominance states that if the two allele of a gene, if one is a dominant, one is a recessive, the dominant gene, according to law of dominance, it should suppress the character of recessive allele. But in incomplete dominance, it will not happen. The dominant gene not able to suppress the character of recessive means it shows many explanation we can see in NCERT, but I will explain further. In incomplete dominance was performed on a plant known as Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum species, it is also called snapdragon. The plants bear red flower class with white flower. The red flower plant having gene capital RR, while white flower plants have small t. They form gamete capital R, they form gamete. White plant form gamete. White is a small RR, they form gamete small r. In F1 generation, they form capital R is small r containing progeny. Means, according to law of dominance, it should suppress the character of small r, but it will not happen. Means, dominant allele should suppress the character of recessive allele and character should be red. But in F1 generation, the character becomes pink. This was the incomplete dominance. Law of dominance states that the character of F1 generation should be according to the dominant allele. They are able to form their characters, but it will not happen. But when they perform self-cross, again, self-cross means capital R, small r containing plants means same F1 generation individuals. In F2 progeny, this is the male plants, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. This is the female. The capital R, according to Punnett square, in Punnett square we are preparing a diagram. Capital R, small r, capital R, small r, and small r, small r. In F2 generation, the ratio gets changed. Due to both the presence of dominant gene, this become red color. This is due to incomplete dominance, are unable to suppress the capital R unable to, and dominant allele unable to suppress the character of his recessive allele, so they form intermediate character is called pink. This is also same a pink flower, and this is a white flower. In law of dominance, the ratio of phenotype was 3:1 because 3 tall plants are formed in case of pea plants. But here One is a red flower containing plants form, second is a pink flower flower containing plants, and third was white flower, the white color flower. Now the ratio become 1:2:1, and in incomplete dominance the genotype ratio will be also same. Genotype ratio will be also same. Capital RR, second is a capital R small r and small r small r. The ratio become of incomplete dominance is 1:2:1. Students, in law of dominance, the ratio of phenotype was 3:1, but ratio of genotype was 1:2:1. In this case also, ratio of phenotype is, in incomplete dominance, the ratio of phenotype is 1:2:1, while in genotype, the ratio was 1:2:1. In both genotype and phenotype, ratio will be same. Students, let us describe about what is the actual cause behind this, what is the explanation behind this, what was happened to show such type of character. Due to combination of two different allele of a gene, the dominant allele, according to law of dominance, it should suppress the character of recessive allele. But in incomplete dominance, it is not happen. The intermediate character is formed. Here, the reason behind this both allele having two genes. Suppose a dominant allele having gene that form an enzyme and suppress the character of recessive gene that produce enzymes. In this case, in this way, the work of both gene is not proper. That's why they form a recessive character. Many explanation is also given, such as what type of enzyme, how enzyme mediations is happen, what is a different process is happen in this. Students, in the second exception of this law was codominance. What is codominance? In codominance, in law of dominance, you have seen that the dominant allele suppress the character of recessive allele, means either in both parent one of the character is appear in F1 generation. In incomplete dominance, intermediate character is seen. But in codominance, the both either dominant character or recessive character can be formed in F1 generation. This was the basics of the codominance. Means you can understand by taking example of codominance is our blood group, ABO blood grouping. The blood group of our body is decided by our RBC, which type of polysaccharide protrude on the surface of the RBC, which type of polysaccharide present on the RBC. It was the polysaccharides of the RBC is controlled by gene I. the gene I have 3 allele having I represented by IA, IB and I0. You can say no any type of antigen means no antigens, not antigen, I am not talking about antigen, means I0. These 3 type of gene present, allele present inside the gene I. Students, we also learn multiple allelism by taking example. Multiple allelism by taking example of our blood group. Students, here 3 type of gene are found. Means if the parent A parent A, let us understand by a chart. Parent B, this is a genotype, this is a phenotype. The parent A should have combination of IA, IB, IB and I0, IO you can say. Parent B should have combination of IA, for this IB, I0, IA, B with B, IB and I0, and this for I0 should be I0. You can write also IA, IB and I0 for I0 also, but no basic differences are found in this case. We can also understand by taking example of this. We are talking about 3 possible combination. I0 in parent A, IA, IB and I0 in this case also. The genotype will be of the parents offspring, not parent. IA. Students, I will explain detail about preparing this chart. IA. This is a IA, IB. This is a IA and IO. IB and IA. IB should be IB. IB have gene IO, IOIA, IOIB, IOIO. Here the gene I having 3 allele. 3 allele IA able to form antigen A. Antigen A. Able to form antigen B, but IO unable to form antigen. Unable to form antigen. It means that here, if the offspring combination is IA, it means this type of combination if present in the offspring. Students, we can also understand this by ploidy of organism. Why not 3 allele present inside our body? Because our body is diploid in nature and only 2 set of chromosome is only found. So here only 2 set of chromosome is talking about. Here IA form of antigen A on surface RBC, so the blood group will be A. Second is IAIB, they are both able to form their antigen on the surface of RBC, because this is a gene and they are formed their enzyme and antigens on the surface in the cells. You can say this is a form blood group AB, and this form the formation of intermediate and activeness of both the parent gene. Suppose a parent is one parent having blood group A and another parent having blood group B, and both are able to produce their offspring and having blood group AB. It means that the offspring having the intermediate characters of match with the both the parents, that represent the codominance. IAIB form in offspring, combination goes in offspring is IAIB, they form blood group AB. The I gene, according to law of dominance, I gene and combination with IA and IO combination in the offspring, so that they suppress the character of IO gene because they doesn't having any type of gene antigens on their surface. So IA suppress the recessive gene. It means in F1 generation they form blood group A. In this case also they form both in offspring IAIB form blood group AB. This having IB form blood group B. This is a blood group, one is a dominant gene, so suppress the recessive, one is a dominant allele, suppress the activity of recessive allele. That's why it form blood group B. This form blood group A. This is a form blood group B. This is a form blood group, because here no any dominant gene is present with this combination IO. So it is form blood group O, not able to form blood group A, B and AB. This is examples of our. This is example of codominance. Means our blood group formations by gene I having 3 type of alleles. So by diploidy in nature they form combinations, such type of combinations, and they form this type of blood group in our body. Here this AB blood group represent codominance. Students, beside this if I'm talking about multiple alleles, not only blood group is only example of codominance. Some other examples of codominance is rune color in cattle. Another example of codominance is rune color in cattle. I'm not going to explain here in detail, but you may learn this rune color of cattle. You know that some cows having different patches of different color on their skin. So that patches is different from this location and also different on another locations. This is considered under the rune color. Rune color of the patches of the cattle is also best example of codominance. This is not a portion of this class, so I'm not going to explain this. Another topic related with this type of cross is multiple allelism. Students, if a question arises in you, what is a multiple allelism, you can explain it well. Multiple name indicate that if a gene having multiple allele and all allele is responsible for controlling characters, all allele responsible for controlling characters is called multiple allelism. Here our blood group is the best example of multiple allelism. Means our blood group is mediated by gene I having three type of allele, IA, IB and I0, IO, and how I form combination with other and they form multiple characteristics inside the body of the individuals. This is the best example of multiple allelism. Now students, another question is arise, what is a pleiotropy? Pleiotropy is questions. What is pleiotropy? Not pleiotropy, you can say pleiotropy name indicate pleiotropy, you can say another word pleomorphic. Pleomorphic conditions. Yeah, pleomorphic gene. Pleomorphic genes means those genes which are not those genes which form their character by more way. Means more way they are able to form character. A single gene that form character by many way. This type of condition is called pleomorphic. Means they are not fixed for a particular characters. It means that some genes in our body that responsible for controlling character of many other characters. Examples: gene of phenylketonuria, gene of phenylketonuria. I will explain what is a phenylketonuria in this chapter. In last part of this chapter, I am not going detail. But gene of phenylketonuria is a type of disease in the body of humans. This gene, rather than controlling this character, they are able to contribute in the formation of the skin color of the body. They are able to form the skin color of the human. Beside this, some other gene is not not going to explain another examples because I am forgetting this time. Pleiotropy means controlling more than one characters rather than its basic. Means its primary character, what will be the primary character, other than this they contribute in another character formation. This is called pleiotropy. Now students, this overall incomplete dominance and codominance, multiple allelism, pleiotropy discussed in this chapter. Incomplete dominance and codominance is the best exception of law of dominance, and this is the interaction of one gene. This is the interaction of one gene, but in law of second is interaction of two gene. Means which law based on this? Dihybrid cross. Which law is based on this? Law of independent assortment. They also shows many exceptions: supplementary interaction, complementary interaction, lethal gene interaction, and the ratio that given by that came in second law of Mendel law of inheritance is 9:3 is to 3 is to 1, it gets changed to 9:7, 9 is to 3 is to 4, 12 is to 3 is to 1, 9 is to, and a different other way. Some epistasis is also explained in this, but overall this supplementary, complementary, lethal gel interaction, epistasis, this is not a portion of this class 12. I am not going to explain that. Later on, in next part of this class, I will study the next topic is called chromosomal basis of inheritance. What is basic part involved in inheritance, means transferring of character from parent to offspring, is what is chromosomes. How chromosome carry characters, what chromosome have, and how they involve in the controlling different characters, what is gene, is also discussed in that topic, chromosomal basis of inheritance. Now times I'm going to stop this video. Thank you.